Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Oh. What's that?
Don, we need to start getting serious with these videos, man.
What do you mean?
We're memeing too much. People don't want to see that. People want to see and learn about cars. Don,
But
look at me.
I'm the captain now.
Boom. Boom.
What do we got?
Oh, well, we got a box, okay? We also got that seat that isn't bolted in. But we're going to.
We're going to wait on that one?
Yeah, we're going to wait a little bit. But first, we're going to unbox something the motor desperately needs. You know, this motor's leaking everywhere. So, we're going to unbox it, okay? So, Don, how about you choose your weapon? Huh? You want that?
Go bigger.
How about one of those? Slice her open, man! Come on! Get it! Alright, that was great. Open her up. Yeah.
What do we got? What do we got?
We got... That looks really big. I hope I ordered the right one. That's what she said. Open that hood, man. Open that hood. We got... Look at this guy. Look at this dude. Leaking everywhere. Somewhere all up in here.
I really hope this is the right one.
So do I. Yeah, valve cover gasket, it's leaking. It's got, oh, look at that. We got some buildup. Look at that. Focus. Focus. There you go.
Look at that.
Alright, we had a triple check. It was off camera. That was a little sketch, but no, it looks like
good.
Yeah, it looks like the right one. Alright. You ever done a M50 valve cover gasket? Because I haven't.
You know, in all my years of working on BMWs, I've never done it. Alright, so the first step we've taken here on doing the valve cover is labeling our coil packs. These are coil packs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. 1 through 6, obviously we're doing right to left rather than left to right. Doesn't matter. Anyways, we're going to do that, and then we're going to start taking everything off. Starting with...
I'm so smart. Look at this. Now you want
He's so hyped on his organization.
Bro, ask me what wrench you want. Boom, you take out the ring. It's easy.
So we're going to take these bolts off. They look like tenors. If you don't stop over here, man. Jesus. Alright, I'm going to do that. Bye.
So we kind of figured it out. Not sure if this is the right way, but we pretty much took off the little plastic cover. So now this is free, and we're just gonna roll all these plugs, undo them, and then roll everything that way, and then it'll clear the gasket so we can take off this cover off. So
Trying to do it like minimal invasive surgery, you know what I mean? Like we're trying to do the least as possible to get to the gasket. So
yeah,
seems like it'll be the easiest way to do it, and we're gonna try it out without, you know, doing any
time lapse.
Yeah. We're ready to pull our cover off here. So what you do is you just take, like I just showed you, you take out all the bolts right here, around here, and you're going to pull off the ground wire with an 8, and then the 10 mil is going to be underneath.
What do they look like, you might ask? They're these guys. So the little ground cables on the end, they're 8 mils.
8 mil on top.
Yeah, 8 mil on top. Take out the ground. And then
you want to make sure all your wiring's out of the way. All these guys are out of the way. We haven't pulled the spark plugs out yet. Shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah.
And we are ready to pull off.
Fat note that we totally messed up on. Don't try to take out those. Those dudes chilling in there. Leave them chilling in there.
You're going to have a hard time trying anyways because...
sockets don't even fit in there, but we thought you had to take it off, and then we resorted to a goddamn video.
We had to...
Yeah. So now, pass through the flathead, boom. And then like all you have to do, over here by the Vanos, look at that. Look at that. Look at all that loose stuff. Nice and easy. The guy said you can break it very easily.
We're stuck on a little tube over here.
Let's put that.
Oh, I'm stuck.
You're stuck on it.
Yeah, get me out.
I can't. There's a, wait. I got you. All right. Go bring the cover. Never mind, I'm just kidding.
Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. Alright. So you're just gonna place your little doodads on the doodickies. Oh, wait. Oh. Bang.
I think they go on the inside. Oh, no, wait. You pinch it.
Where's the old one? Oh, you slapped it over there.
Oh, that's completely different.
Okay. George is jacking up the car right now. We're going to take a quick break from doing the gasket because if you just saw right there, it wasn't the right one. So we ordered a new one that's hopefully going to be the right one. We're going to go pick it up in a minute. But first, we're going to work on getting this bucket seat in. And that requires jacking up the car so we can get the bottom nuts on that guy and get the whole dingle.
Why do I need to jack up the car for floor seats? Well, since previous owner decided to put WRX seats, he kind of retrofitted and destroyed like the floorboard. So we have to put bolts and then nut it from the bottom of the car, under the car, like literally under the car, and we'll bolt that up.
So for the people that don't know how race cars, bucket seats, and all that stuff work, just break it down for me.
Well, my cup on, man. My cup. I'm sorry, I get distracted.
Get distracted so easy, ADD. This
so this bracket is already finalized to my seating position. So this billet piece, it has one mounting point here. It used to be on this side. Like I said, the dude took it out. He just completely yanked it, but there should be like a stud sticking out. All right, like that, pretty much. He ripped it out. That side doesn't matter. But so this side's finalized. Once you mount this billet piece has like a bunch of holes for all this adjustment, right? And then there's gonna be,
so you adjust this forward or backwards according to your height, as far as where you want your feet to meet the pedals.
Where they at? These on the side, and they'll go like that, and then those guys
go on right there.
All right.
All right. So this bolts to these, and this bolts to this.
So literally,
and there's adjustment in height here.
Yeah.
And adjustment in length from the pedals there.
You can have either the seat super high up front, so the bucket's like that, or you know,
you can tilt it and stuff.
Yeah, man, it's just show 'em, man. Woo! So you can have it, you know, even like that, or you can drop this like 2-3 notches and have it, you know, your butt go lower for like taller people like myself. I don't want to hit the head. You can adjust it here, or you can either raise it. You can even have it like all stupid like that too.
A lot of crazy shit.
Yeah, but yeah, that's what that's all about. And then this is so you can adjust height for your feet or whatever. But like I said, this side's already finalized. We just have to match it to the other side.
Nice.
Good, good.
All right, man. So we just sent all the ooga doogas through these sons of guns right here.
Probably wondering what does it look like under the car?
What's it look like under the car?
This lighting's probably gonna be horrible. See that? See that? That's one. And look at that. That's two. And that's pretty much what we did. So if I ever want to remove the seat, I'd literally have to go under the car and hit it with those two. Oh yeah, true. This is just for the bracket, not the seat. So there you go. Easy.
Easy. It's easy, man. Oh, hello.
Yeah, this lighting's good. Clutch. All right. I don't know how much recorded. I don't know how much we recorded of the seating process, but it was way harder than it needed to be. But the seat is crooked, dude. Not by a lot, but it is crooked. Like this side's sticking out more than this side. But it's fine. Seating position's good. I feel like we talked way too much in this video, man. How many memes have we used, huh? How many memes? Not enough.
You told me in the beginning of the video, no more memes.
That was a joke, man.
You want me to take? I'm the captain now.
10 years later.
Finally finishing this, man.
So we got a new gasket. I'm gonna insert how we messed up.
Oh!
Wow, dude, really?
Oh my god. Dramatic.
I'm kidding. So we got the seat in. We're gonna do the valve cover gasket. And I think I know why I was leaking. Previous owner, my homeboy here, forgot to add some RTV gray.
Didn't use anything.
Didn't use
at
nothing.
All.
It was like fresh. It was nice and clean and just bare gasket. So that thing was leaking everywhere. We're gonna add some, and all you gotta do is you see these little grooves here?
Little grooves right there.
You just gotta fill them in.
Just fill that in.
Just fill it in. You see the little circle? Just gonna fill them in.
Just ease.
Ready, set, go. All right, you get one shot at this.
Can you try to push that guy?
There you go. You get one shot.
I'm so scared.
All right.
I'm so scared.
Let's go.
Oh no.
I think where your finger's at on this side is gonna like hit. There you go. All right. One shot. Come on. Oh, dude, all the distractions. Oh, my phone too.
Boom. Sunny D.
Did you get it?
That's it, brother.
Hammer it. Hammer it down.
We just need to.
Nope. You're gonna hammer it.
No. No. We're not doing. No. No.
Alright. That was actually like.
Not that bad.
Yeah. Well done. Good show. Clap, clap, clap.
It's a little like 10 of it.
Oh yeah. I'll insert that.
Yeah.
I got you. That's it for today's video. We resealed the valve cover.
A little bit of maintenance, man.
A little bit of maintenance.
A little bit of racing suit.
We're still not gonna turn it on. Reason for, you gotta let the RTV cure. Have I said that yet? I don't think I did on the video.
24 hours there.
Oh yeah, I did. So we're not gonna turn on the car today. Also, before I get driving, I need to install a rear view mirror. Don't have one. And on that side, I also need a mirror. I got him sitting right there. We're gonna get to that, and then we'll take the car out for a spin because now we have proper seating, which I'm high-key gonna probably readjust that. You want to close it out for me again?
Thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna be drifting soon. It's gonna be sick content. Like and subscribe. Truckers. Dang.
Stop cussing!
I said truckers, bro. I didn't even cuss.
Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!